I'll take it over to the base.
Yeah.
That'll be fun for you.
Yeah, not that, I guess. I'm glad they pulled that fucker over.
Products not available in every state. Discounts are not applied to all coverages on auto or home policy. Discounts do not apply to life insurance policies. Visit amfam.com to learn how discounts may apply to you. American Family Mutual Insurance Company, SI, and its operating companies, American Family Life Insurance Company, 6000 American Parkway, Madison, Wisconsin.
It's on camera.
If the rumors are true, it's about to be a very, very...
You're the one that cut me off, you stupid ass. What do you mean? Cool, I'll break that camera
I
too.
didn't mean to cut you off, and I don't think I did, but if I did, I'm sorry.
Oh, I should have hit you is what I should have done.
It would have been on camera, but again, just calm down. Again, I said I'm sorry if you think I did.
I'll just call my dad. That's a mayor of this town.
I doubt that.
Okay.
Your dad's the mayor?
Okay. I'm gonna get your license plate real quick.
Go ahead.
All my fathers are gonna see you too.
HMA 6812. HMA 6812.
Oh, we just witnessed that.
Holy, there's somebody just straight up driving the wrong way down Indiana. Wow, holy shit. Like, careful up. I'm sorry, I'm driving by and catching it on Michelle's. Yeah. No, she's still. God, I hope this is recording and I'm doing this right.
I'm at Heritage Park Condos off Barrett Parkway, and somebody just ran through the pool fence in a car, and he's in the middle of the pool. There's a covering over the pool, so he's not sinking. I don't know how long the covering's going to hold.
Just
He lifts his head up every once in a while.
okay. Go ahead and set it out there for me.
Cool.
Take care of, you don't fall down. Yeah. Come on, let's go in here, okay? We're gonna come on. Let's go. You're okay? Come on, how you pull?
Treated on scene by Cobb Fire before being transported to a local hospital where she is expected to recover.
Tomorrow be like, yo. Yeah! What? Be like, yo. Hold on. What? What? What's wrong with you? What'd I do? A slingshot, bro? That is P3, like... Catch me! Catch me! Catch me! Hey, launch it! Launch it! Catch me! Catch me! Catch me!
Oh my God! Holy. Oh. Oh my God, what the f are you doing?